Hello, fourth grade. Hope you're having an enjoyable week. What we want to look at this week is breaking each number into its place value and adding up in chunks. These are both strategies that you saw in third grade, so that's why we've combined the two this week, just to refresh your memory and mainly just think about place value and how the impact it has on addition problems. So if we do the place value with 256 and we're adding that to 340, we're actually going to say $200 plus 50 plus 6. We're saying 300 plus 40, and then actually it's plus 0, there's nothing else. So if we're doing it by place value, we're left with 500 plus 90 plus 6. We know our whole answer is 596. Now, if we're adding up in chunks, we pick the number we want to start with. So I don't know if you want to start with 256 or 340. I'm going to go ahead and start with 340 because it's larger. So I like to start with the larger value of the two. And what I would do is I would add to this 200. Then I would add to this 50. I would add to this 6. In both ways you get 596. Difference is in the first one you break everything up by their place value. In the second one you let one be an anchor, and then you let the other one be where you break it up, then adding up in chunks based on their place value. So first 200, then 50, then 6. So let's look at another example. We have 117 plus 426. Again, if we're breaking each number into its place value, it's 100 plus 10 plus 7, 400 plus 20 plus 6. Now we're left with 500 plus 30 plus 13. So we actually want to keep breaking it up. The 13 is actually 10 plus 3. So actually the 10's there. So you're actually saying you have 540 plus 3, so you have 543. Again, if we want to add up in chunks, I like to start with the larger of the two values, so 426. We're going to add 100 to that. Not 10, sorry, 100. So you have 526. Then you're going to add to that 10. So it gives you 536. And then here, what I do with the 7 is because I see if I know 7 is the same as 4 plus 3. So I think, well, okay, I'm going to add 4 to 536, get that to 540. I still have 3 to add, so that's 543. So that's the two strategies of breaking each number into its place value and or adding up in chunks. And again, it's just one of those things to refresh your memory because I know we've been exposed to this last year. And if you're a new student, welcome to a new strategy. And hopefully you're having a good day. Thanks, guys.